Hi, Bestie. I'm so happy you're here. Let's take this moment just for us. A soft pause, a gentle breath, a little space to return home, to yourself. Find a comfortable seat. You can sit cross-legged or simply relax your body however feels good today. Let your hands rest softly on your knees. Close your eyes if that feels safe, and allow your shoulders to drop. You're not late. You're not behind. You're right on time. Let's begin by breathing together. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently, and exhale through your mouth. Let it go. Again, inhale slowly. Hold. Exhale softly. One more time. Let your inhale fill your belly. And let your exhale be like a soft sigh. Good. Now just breathe naturally. Let your breath come and go, like waves on a quiet shore. Picture the soft glow of the sunset around you, like warm light wrapping gently around your chest. Let it melt down your arms. Soften your jaw. Unclench your hands. Let your whole body exhale. Right now, you don't need to fix anything. You don't have to be anyone else. You can just be you, and that is more than enough. If any thoughts come in, that's okay. Don't fight them, just let them pass, like clouds in the sky. Come back to your breath. Now repeat with me, either in your heart or out loud. I am here. I am safe. I am loved. I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to be. Breathe in and out. Start to gently bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers. Maybe roll your shoulders or stretch your arms. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take in your space and smile at yourself, even just a little. Thank you for being here today. You took a moment for yourself, and that's beautiful. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you again soon, Bestie.